Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Araceli. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button up there or down below. And also, if you guys would like to be notified anytime I make a video, then just please hit that notification bell up on top. That way you guys can be notified anytime I make a video. These products that I'm going to show you guys are basically certain things that are new that just came out, or either things that are oldie but goodies or stuff that I haven't used. Without further ado, let's just get on to the Ulta haul. I picked up the Eco Tools. These are cruelty free. I just needed new sponges, so I had to pick these up. And Eco Tools, I have some of their brushes and I figured I'd give their sponges a try. Eco Tools is pretty affordable. I believe these were only like $6. It's been a while since I picked this up and used this, but this is their NYX High Definition Concealer. It's an oldie but goodie, and this is in the color Glow. I'll just open it for you guys so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like. And you guys know I love Maybelline so much because it's so affordable and just their products are so good. Imitation mascara, and I got it in the color Black is Black. It's supposed to give you basically fuller lashes, as you guys can see in the picture here. The before and after, and you guys know how much I love mascara and you can't even go wrong. The packaging is super adorable and I heard really good things about this, so I had to pick this up, and I believe this was about $5 to $6. It's the NYX Cosmetics Tinted Brow Mascara, and it comes in a little tube. I've never tried this. I actually have never tried any mascara with a tint of color in it. I've always picked up clear gel mascaras, so I figured I'd give this a try because it's tinted, and I got it in the color Chocolate. I'm gonna go quickly with this because my camera is starting to die again. I literally have to buy a cord for my camera because having to stop filming, charge it, and then come back to filming again, I just want to finish filming. The last two things that I picked up, so I picked up this NYX Cosmetics Powder Puff Lippy, and I swatched it so you guys can see how it looks. It's that just perfect mauve color, and it's not too dark. I like it. I'm going to show you guys really quickly how the packaging looks. This is what the packaging looks like. As you guys can see, it comes in a tube form. I'm going to show you guys the application. This is how the application looks like. It's super cute, right? And it's just super soft. It's in the color Moody. It claims to say it's pucker up and swipe up on that Just Kiss flush of color, featuring a soft cushion applicator. This lightweight lippy goes on moussely and sets to a powdery soft finish. It glides on super soft, and I just can't wait. Hopefully it's not too drying. I seen that they came out with these and I had to pick at least one up just to give it a try, so we'll see. Last but not least, I had to pick up this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, right? Yeah, Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I picked it up in the color 125. The only thing I must say is that it doesn't come in a pump, and you guys know I love the pumped foundations. It's just easier, you know, and it's the matte and poreless, normal to oily skin. I know I'm so late to the bandwagon. This came out like, I don't know how long ago, but it's been a long time that this came out, and I just figured I'd give it a try because I wanted to try a new foundation. If you guys have tried this foundation, let me know what you guys think about this, because I have normal to dry skin and it says normal to oily skin, so we'll just give it a try and see what happens. But I need some Red Bull. I love Red Bull. They're hella bomb. So Red Bull, if you're watching this and you want to sponsor me or send me some free Red Bull, I'm down. If you guys don't know, I do upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays at 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.